Hi, this is Dr. Logan Levkoff, and I'm here to tell you about an upcoming workshop I'm doing with Modern Sex Therapy Institutes in New York City on Sunday, May 19th. The subject? My kid wants to do what? How to help your clients navigate their kids' sexuality. The reality is that clients come to a therapist for all sorts of reasons, but especially issues in the parenting space. And one of the most common concerns is, how do I help navigate my kids' sexuality and sexual health and give them the tools to become a sexually healthy person? In this 4-hour workshop, we will learn about what is typical sexual development in childhood and adolescence, how to create a more holistic model of what sexual health looks like, and of course, how media and pop culture impact our ability to be sexually healthy, and a lot more. So you don't need to be a therapist. You can be an educator. You can be a parent or caregiver, or just anyone who wants the tools and the skills to help the young people in their life become sexually healthy adults. And technically, you don't even have to be in New York City. You can be anywhere in the world as long as you have a screen and a hookup. This is also a webinar. So I look forward to having the opportunity to meet with all of you, whether it's in person or over the screens. Take care, and I'll see you soon.